Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Teacher Athiyah. So welcome to CodeCamp 1.2. Okay, before we start the lesson today, okay, make sure you are ready with Scratch. Okay, and then you can sign in using the same username and password as yesterday. Okay, so let me sign in first. Okay, so sign in using this button here. Okay, after you input your username and password, you can click the sign in button. Okay, so now you got to, these are your view now. Okay, so here, if you look at the top right side here is the username. Okay, your own username. So this is my username. You have your own username. Okay, so beside here, there's one folder icon here called My Stuff. Okay. So here my stuff. So click on the icon. Okay, and then here it will be list what are your projects. Okay, the project that you have saved. Okay, so for example here, this is the project that we have done yesterday. Okay, in CodeCamp 1.1. Okay, so click on this button here, see inside. Okay, let's click it. Okay, tada! So it shows you the same view as you see yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, what have you done? Okay, in CodeCamp 1.1, you learn how to make a sprite move. Okay, so a sprite here, which is this cartoon character or called a sprite. Okay, so let's recall what you have learned yesterday. Okay, so here, this is the outcome or the output of yesterday's lesson. Okay, let me try and click it. Okay, so you see that this bear is moving, and then, okay, the bear says hello. Okay, but the bear here is alone. Okay, so today, what you are going to learn in CodeCamp 1.2 is making multiple sprites interact. Okay, so you have friends. Okay, so this bear will have friend. Okay, so let's create friend for bear. Okay, so okay, so at the end of the lesson today in CodeCamp 1.2, okay, these are the results. Okay, so let me click the green flag here. Okay, so what is the difference between this view with yesterday? Okay, so let me play again. Okay. Right. So now your bear have a new friend, okay, which is a bat. Okay, and they are saying hello to each other. Okay, this bear is saying hello, and then this bear is saying hello to you too. Okay, and the other difference is you can hear a background music, okay, or a background sound. Okay, so basically that is what you are going to learn tonight in CodeCamp 1.2. Okay, so are you ready, girls? Okay, so let's return back to this Scratch view. Okay, so here, this is the original or the outcome from what you have learned yesterday. Okay, last night with teacher Jason, okay, you have one bear here, okay, and this bear can move, okay, and then this bear also say, hello, I am a bear, and then followed by this grunt sound. Okay, so these quotes here, okay, is in a sequence, okay, meaning that the instructions is one after another. Okay, so here is your original sprite. Okay, so today let's give new friends to the bear. Okay, so how to create new sprite? Okay, so here remember this button here, the cat face here. Okay, click on it, choose a sprite. Okay, and then select animals. Okay, let's say I want to I want to choose bed. Okay, let's use bed first. Okay, as bear's new friend. Okay, so here I can add another sprite or add another cartoon. Okay, by simply choosing from the sprites. Okay, so here the bed size is larger or bigger than the bear. Okay, usually the bed is smaller than the bear, so we can always resize the bed. Okay, simply click on it and then size here. Let's say I change to 50. Okay, so now your bed is smaller than the bear. Okay, right, so this is your new bed. Okay, so if you click here, okay, look at the bottom here, the sprite here. Okay, the bottom. If you click at the bear, so at the coding area here, okay, so the coding area here, you saw that this is the bear icon. Okay, and these are the codes, okay, which belongs to the bear. Okay, these are the codes. See, that allows the bears moving. That allows the bear to say hello, I am a bear, and with the sound. Okay, so these codes belong to one sprite for this bear. Okay, and then if we create or we add another sprite here, okay, for example bed, you can see if I click on below here, the icon here, okay, the coding area here is blank. Okay, and you can see here there is a bed picture, okay, or bed icon here. Okay, but you haven't put any program or any code to the bed, so the bed cannot move currently. Okay, all right, so let's try to make some or to put some coding to the beds. Okay, remember, so here is the coding blocks, okay, which tells the cartoon what to do. Okay, so remember your current view here, current screen here must be bed. Okay, so it is an empty area now. Okay, so let's try start with a starting block, which is the green flag. Okay, so we should click here, choose events. Okay, button yellow here, event, and then drag when this flag click. Okay, so drag from here to the coding area. Okay, and then okay, we can select. Okay, next is the motion. Okay, let's put some motion so that the bed can move. Okay, so motion, let's choose this go to X and Y. So it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 5 from the top. Okay, drag and put under the previous puzzle. Okay, so now here, okay, this is the location of the bed that we want the bed to move. Okay, so this is the current location. So let's say here I change. Okay, let me make slightly bigger here. Okay, let's say here I change to coordinate -130 and -22. Okay, for the bed. So if I click here, okay, I can see that the bed move. Okay, all right. So from this position, move to the other position. Okay, then we can add another block to this new sprite. Okay, for example, here I want to add, okay, this glide 1 second to random position. Okay, still on motion. Okay, this blue color, blue button here, motion, and then choose this number 6. Okay, glide 1 second to random position, and then I place it under the second block. Okay, so let's click. See, the sprite now move to the other location. Okay, to the random position. Okay, and then let's try another blocks. Okay, so this is new for you. Let's try this control. Okay, go to orange color. Okay, orange color, and then choose the up one. Okay, the first one here, wait 1 second. Okay, let me try putting here. Okay, under this third block. So wait 1 second. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, all right. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so back to the bed here, the second sprite here. Okay, and then I want to, since the bear say hello, so I also want to reply to the bear. Okay, so the bat also want to reply by saying hello. Okay, so next we choose this purple color, looks. Okay, from this button, looks purple button, and then I want to drag this one. Okay, say hello for 2 seconds to be under this block. Okay, so this one, let me change to hello to you too. Okay, so you can always create your own sentence here, okay, your own conversation here. So let's say this one I change to 1 second. Okay, so it's a bit faster lah. Okay, so when I click on it, now the bat also says hello to you too. Okay, all right, so let's try. Okay, let's try play. Okay, so you see here, they are two sprites that interacting with each other. So the bear says hello, and the bat here also says hello. Hello to you too. Okay, all right. So you can see what you can see here. Okay, this is the, if I click also below here, if I click at the sprite bear here, these are the sequence of coding, okay, which allows the bear to react, okay, which allows the bear to move and then to make a sound, to say hello. Okay, so these are the codes, okay, in this coding area that belongs to sprite bear. Okay, so if I click at this bat sprite here, okay, below here, bat sprite here, these are the codes which allows the bat to move, okay, to move and then to say hello to you too. Okay, all right, so what does it mean here? Each sprite that you created, okay, they have their own set of codes. Okay, so whenever you create new sprite, okay, it have, or you can make new coding for the sprite. Okay, all right, so not only sprite, okay, not only sprite have its own codes. Okay, you can also set codes with the background, okay, by using the backdrop. Okay, so this is the backdrop. Okay, how to do that? Okay, click on the backdrop here, go to the bottom, okay, the right side. Okay, click on the picture, okay, the backdrop picture. Okay, and then first you need to choose event lah. Okay, event here when the green flag click. Okay, so drag here, drag to the coding area. Okay, and then we try to put background music. Okay, so we can select sound. Okay, let's say here, the sound, the original sound here is pop. Okay, so choose the pink button here, the third button, pink button, sound. Okay, and then the first one, play sound until done. Okay, drag, take hold this block. Okay, and then put it in the coding area. Okay, but this is not connected. Okay, if it's not connected, then it won't play. Okay, so join it together. Right. So here, if you don't want the pop sound, it sounds weird, right? Pop sound. Okay, so I want to change to a more catchy music. Okay, so that maybe we can also dance around. Okay, dance together. Right. So here, how to change the sound here? You can go to this sound tab. Okay, so here code, backdrops, and then the third tab here, the sound tab. Okay, and go below. Okay, on the left side here, choose a sound. Okay, choose a sound. So it is somehow similar to what you have learned yesterday. Okay, by teacher Jason. Okay, let's say there are a lot of sound here. Okay? But I want to choose nice music. Okay, so let's say here I choose loops. Right, this is okay. So I select this sound. Okay, so it comes to this page. Okay, never mind. Okay, from this sound you go back to the first tab here, code. Okay, so here is the code that Okay, so if you forgot, okay, what are these codes belongs to, you can always look at the picture here. Okay, small picture on top here. It shows you this is the code for backdrop. Okay. All right. So here, just now we have choose another sound. Okay. Let's say here I choose this dance around. Okay. Play sound dance around until done. Okay. Let's try. So now your games or your games here have a background music. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the sprite here. Okay. So if you notice here, these are the codes for bear. Okay. So when the green light, when the green flag click, okay, the bear will go to this position and then glide 1 second to random position. And then the bear will say, hello, I am a bear for 1 second, followed by the sound. Okay, so if we click again, okay, on the bat sprite here, okay, on the cartoon, on the character bat here, okay, these are the codes for bat. Okay, so here you have when the green flag click, okay, the bat go to this position, okay, and then glide 1 second to random position, wait 1 second before the bat say hello to you too. Okay, let me play to you again. Okay, so if you notice here, okay, when the bear say hello, okay, there is a pause there, okay, before the bat reply hello to you too. Okay, so let's say this is why it happens, because of this block. Okay, wait 1 second, remove this block. Okay, look, so let me remove this block. Okay, simply put back on the code block blocks, okay, and then combine it together. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, let's play again. Okay, so if you notice just now, okay, when the bear says hello, the bat also says hello to you too at the same time. Okay, so it is, imagine if you okay, you want to meet your friend. Okay, so you say hello to your friend, then your friend will reply back hello to you. Okay, so we need to take turn, okay, in a conversation. It's not that if both of us are saying the same thing, then who is going to listen, right? Okay, so it is the same with this. You need to extra time, okay, so that let the bear speaks first, then only the bat can reply. Okay, so the bear will say hello, and then only the bat too. Okay, let me play. So it shouldn't be at the same time. Okay, it is also the same when we talk to someone. Okay, we must hear to what the people say, and then only we can reply. Okay, so that is what happened if I remove the event. Okay, the wait 1 second just now. Okay, so let's put back. Okay, let's say if I'm putting back that. Okay, let's go to this control. Okay, the orange button here. Wait 1 second and then I put back. Okay, put back here in the following this sequence. Okay, and then only hello to you too. Okay, so this is the sequence of the bat. Okay, so the bat will go to this location and then glide 1 second to the random position. Wait 1 second before it says hello to you too. Okay, so let's play again. What you saw just now, when the bear says hello, I am a bear, then there is 1 second gap before the bat reply hello to you too. Okay, all right, so there is basically the what you learn for CodeCamp 1.2. Okay, first, creating or having the cartoon friends. Okay, so now bear have friends, okay, which is a bat. Okay, and then they are interacting with each other. Okay, and you can also have, okay, not only the sprites or the character or the cartoon here have their own sets of codes, they have their own blocks of code, also put code in the for the backdrops. Okay, just now. Okay, how to put codes in the backdrop? Simply click on the bottom right side here, backdrops. Okay, so this is the code for backdrop. Okay, let's play once again. Let's see once again the output of today's lesson. Okay, so let me click this play again. Okay, play button again. So this is what you have learned tonight. Okay, so remember, okay, let's go back to the Scratch project. Remember to save your project, okay, so that you can use it for tomorrow coding camp. Okay, for tomorrow coding camp, you will learn on looping and conditionals. Okay, so what does it mean here? We will look further tomorrow, okay, with teacher Azlina. Okay, but this is basically the outcome that you will learn tomorrow, okay, that you will deliver tomorrow. Okay, let me play for CodeCamp 1.3. See, okay, the characters moving, okay, and each time when the bat touch the bears, okay, it will say ouch. How to do this? Okay, we will learn this tomorrow. Okay, so come back to our Scratch project. Don't forget to save. Okay, let's say if I save it now, okay, or you can also click on this button here. Okay, save. So the project has been saved. Okay, so next time, okay, for tomorrow, okay, you can log in again, and then you can select again for, your project from this folder. Okay, or if you save it in your computer, so there is a file tab here. Okay, at the top left side, okay, file, and then you can load from your computer. Okay, wherever which folder you save in your computer. Okay, so just now I have it in my Scratch account. Okay, so just save. All right, so that's all for Coding Camp 1.2, making multiple sprites interact. Okay, and also providing background to the providing music to the background. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the lesson today, and you can keep on practicing. Okay, you can keep on playing with Scratch with your family. Okay, or you can explore by yourself. And we see you again tomorrow for Code Camp 1.3 with teacher Azlina.